Now, with you as well, two aspects that I want to pick up before I proceed. Yesterday, you testified that en route to Carltonville, you stopped at a Sasol garage. You remember that?
Ngaphambi kokuthi siqhubekeke ukubili nje ngifuna ukuthi ke ngibuze la kuwena ushilo izolo ukuthi ke endleleni eya khona ke eCarltonville nema ke ku garage noma nafika nama ke ku garage eSasol.
Yeah.
Yes.
And also to you, my good sir, I placed an incorrect proposition to say that Sergeant Mohani said they stopped there because the car was experiencing mechanical problems. I went back to the record as well to confirm, and it says, and this is as per the AVL records. It says at Sasol Garage at the Protea Industrial Park at 09 hours 38 minutes, ignition off, and Mohani says, I was checking my tires. So it was, he didn't say that it was a mechanical failure. He says he was checking his tires when he stopped at that garage.
Kukhona ke engikushilo kuwena ke izolo engifisa ukuthi obeyiphutha ke engifisa ukuthi ngikulungiseke manje ukuthi ngithe kuwena uma ngaba nima lapha egarage uMkhane ubufakazi bakhe bathi yayikhona inkinga yemoto kodwa ngihambile ke ngayobheka ke kwirecord athola ukuthi ke isikhathi esibhaliwe lapha noma ke kuwona umbiko wa-AVL ukuthi ke uMkhane izathu asisho ukuthi kwakungani emile lapha yana ukuthi wayebheka amasondo emoto.
Now, before we proceed where we left off yesterday, I had asked you a question, but then we had to adjourn. Let me go back to the boardroom. There are questions that I skipped there, and I want to assist me with those questions. You've testified that in the boardroom you were asked about the Senzo Mewa case, your whereabouts, all of those things.
Ushilo ukuthi lapha uma singabuyela nje eboardroom ukuthi eboardroom wabuza ngecala kaSenzo ukuthi wawukuphi nendawo.
In the boardroom?
Yes.
Sorry, Mr. Jonas. In the boardroom, were you asked if you knew certain persons?
Lapha yana eboardroom ngabe wabuza yini ukuthi ke uyabaza abantu abathize?
Yeah, Uncle.
Yes, my lord, I was asked.
Who asked you?
Uzobani?
Ngangibuzwa ngoyogcina ngalezi ithombe lezi bezizwa la enkhombisa zona ethubani lo ngithi mina ngimazi.
By Geninda himself, asking me with regards to the photos that were shown here in court, he would ask me, who is this? I would say, I don't know.
And were you asked if you knew specific people?
Ingabe wabuzwa yini ukuthi abantu thizeni uyabazi yini?
Yebo wagcina babiza ngamagama.
Yes, he ended up calling them by name, my lord.
And do you recall some of the names or all of the names that were mentioned to you?
Ingabe uyawakhumbula amanye alo magama noma onke lawo magama awasho?
Ngiyawakhumbula amanye amagama.
I remember some of the names.
Can you state some of the names that you recall that you were asked by Brigadier Gelinda?
Ungawasho ke la osawakhumbulayo.
Oqala wangibuza ngoSpiya.
First, they asked me about Sibiya Muzi. I then confirmed that indeed I know him.
And did he specifically say Sibiya or Muzi Sibiya when he asked you?
Ingabe uma ikubuza wathi uMuzi noma wathi uMuzi Sibiya noma wathi Sibiya noma wathi uMuzi Sibiya.
Wayefika biza isibonga ngithi bese ngitshela igama lakhe sengithi yabo ngiyamazi ngoba wathi ngikuSibiya ngathi nabaningi uSibiya ngibazi ngoba ngumdlalo wengoma nje noSibiya ngigida ngazo ingoma.
He would come, mention a surname, and then I would say there are, let's say Sibiya, then he would mention a name because I would say there are too many Sibiyas that I know, too many Sibiyas that I perform the traditional dance with.
And did he ask you about any other names?
Akhona amanye amagama akubuza ngawo?
Yeah, ngoba elinye igama la elokhu nje ibhizinali igama la Carlos, ngisho ukuthi Carlos amazi.
And then there's this name that always kept on mentioning, the name of Carlos. I would then say, I don't know Carlos.
So sorry to be specific. Did he say Carlos or Carlos?
Carlos noma Carlos.
Sizohlukana ngombiza.
We won't pronounce the same because I have my own way of pronouncing it.
Alright, okay. And did he give a surname to that name of Carlos?
Kunesibongo ke esasihamba nalelo gama lika Carlos.
Isibongo ngqala lapha ekhona masibizwa ngangasazi isibongo sakhe.
I only got to know the surname here in court. I did not know the surname.
No, I'm only asking about in the boardroom, not what happened in court.
No.
And any further names that he asked you about?
Khona amanye amagama akubuza ngawo.
Awufika wangibuza ngamaphisa ngasho ukuthi amaphisa amazi.
Again, asked me about Mapisa. I told him that I don't know Mapisa.
And did he attach a first name to that Mapisa surname?
Khona igama elalihambisana nesibongo leso uMapisa.
Azange ngitshele igama ngibuza ukuthi amaphisa yamazi ngathi ngachana.
He never mentioned a name. He only asked me about Mapisa. I said no, I don't know him.
Any other name that he mentioned to you that you recall?
Wangibuza futhi ngonkana, Davis igama lankana ngathi cha.
Again asked me about Nkani. He mentioned Nkani's name. I said no.
And just for completeness sake, did he mention any surname attached to that Nkani name that he gave you?
Igama lelo kaNkani alisho kuwena ingaba sikhona isibongo awasisho esihamba nalo igama lelo?
Cha azangisizwa.
No, I never heard it.
And within that context, why did he mention those names or ask you of those names? What did he tell you about the names that he asked you?
Kwakungani akubuze ngalawo magama lawo? Yini ayisho ukuthi ke yini kungani esho lamagama la?
Wathi ke inkosi enkantolo uphenyo lwakhe elenza ukuthi angibuze ngalabo abantu angibuza ngawo ngoba ngiyathitheka nabo kuleyo nkasenzo ngahala ngathi angibulale nalabo ngibuza ngabo ngibazi.
He said to me, my lord, it's his investigation that reveals these names and that I was also implicated together with those people in the killing of Senzo. I then said, no, I am not a killer or I do not kill. And even the people you are asking me about, I don't know them. Because in all honesty, my lord, I did not know them. I saw them for the first time in Boksburg.
Let's be clear before it comes to bite you. When you say, in truth, I did not know them, I only started seeing them in Boksburg. Are you referring to all the 4 gentlemen that are seated here, that you did not know them, but or did you know some of them?
Ngibuze kanjena-ke uma uthi ke ubungabazi ngeqiniso ubungabazi uqale ukubabona eBoksburg usho bona bewu4 noma ke uthi abanye babo ubungabazi abanye ububazi?
Ngikhuluma ngabathathu Sibiya ngiyamazi.
I'm referring to the 3. I know Sibiya.
Okay. And did he mention any further names except the 4 gentlemen that you've mentioned?
Akhona amanye amagama awabiza ngaphandle kwala awu4 osuwashilo manje.
Wangibuza futhi nalo abakuthelezi lo Simphiwe ngathi angimazi.
He also asked me about the Buthelezi guy Simphiwe. I said I don't know him.
And what did he say, if he said anything at all about Simphiwe's role or participation or involvement?
Uma kukhona wakusho ngokuSimphiwe noma ke ngengxenye noma ke akwenza uSimphiwe yini ayisho ngoSimphiwe uma kukhona akusho ngoSimphiwe?
Wayesidiba sonke inkosi enkantolo ethi esabulala Senzo ukuthi mina azange ngibulala Senzo inkosi enkantolo.
He mentioned all of us together saying that we are the ones that killed Senzo. I then told him that I never killed Senzo.
Ngoba ngaze ngamtshela futhi ukuthi nalo Simphiwe angimazi noma ngamthatha imbele naye ngeke angikhombela ngani.
I even said to him that even the Simphiwe you are talking about, I don't know him. Even if you were to put him here in front of me, he wouldn't be able to point me out. I would also not be able to point him out or identify him.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Ntanzi. Now, before we exit this topic of the 17th of June 2020, the events that transpired in the boardroom, is there anything else that I've forgotten perhaps that you'd like to mention of significance that took place in the boardroom?
Ngaphambili kokuthi ke siqedeke ngalolu daba lange-17 lokho kwenzeka-ke eboardroom, ingabe khona yini engikhohliwe ofisa ukuthi ke ukusho okubalulekile?
Kunesithombe lapha inkosi enkantolo angangasibona naso la somuntu ogqoke isikhindi nesikipa esihlaza ngalo mkhuluma ngefoni lesasithombe naso ngasibona eboardroom. Ngoba lesasithombe wayethi bakugcina indaba nguwe futhi la ngumtshela kusemina lo muntu.
There's a photo, my lord, that was beamed here, or that was shown here, of a person.
Ngoke ngathi sikhindi ibiza ngokubhota kwikhindi egcina.
Yes, yes,
Yeah,
yes.
neskipe ngathi sidala sidlo. Ubambe ngaze ngiyirobot yini nje wena wayethi ngisina.
There's also a person or a photo, my lord, that was shown here. Someone that was wearing a what is referred to as a 3/4 pants, and this person is wearing a bluish T-shirt, holding onto a robot. Sorry, Kininda said that's me. I told him that no, that's not me.
And
Sorry, I also saw that photo in the boardroom. It was shown here, but it was also shown to me in the boardroom.
my lord, with the leave of the court, I beg to hand exhibit S to Mr. Ntanzi so that he can peruse, if he can perhaps point us at the picture that is referring to.
Ngicela ubheke lana ukuthi lesithombe uqeda ukukhuluma ngaso uyasibona yini. It is here. The witness is it's photo number 32, my lord. Exhibit
S.
S. It's an exhibit S, photo number 32. Sorry, it's page 32, photo 0017. That is photo 17. What is it?
Yeah. I'm not sure whether His Lordship has got the exhibit with, or will request
Yeah,
that
what
if they-
exhibit is that?
It's exhibit S,
S.
my lord.
Photo number?
17, page
Photo
32.
page 32, photo 00.
Okay, fine, I've got it.
Okay, thank you, Lord.
But who is that person on that photo depicted?
Ubani loya muntu kulesa sithombe?
Angimazi because
I don't know him, my lord.
Okay.
Thank you, my lord. And is there any other thing that you were shown or that was said to you or asked in the courtroom that you can still recall that is of significance?
Khona okunye ocabanga ukuthi semqoka okwenzeka boardroom office kusho? No, there's nothing, my lord.
Thank you, Mr. Ntanzi. Then we can move on from where we left off yesterday. Now, I asked you that you were with the police officers, Mohani Mabena, and then joined by Gininda Mohola at Carltonville on the 18th of June. Further, that you were booked out at around 8:05 a.m. to be precise, taken to Carltonville, the investigation is conducted there, and then you came back in the late afternoon. So the question that I posed before we took an adjournment yesterday was that, were you given food during the entire time that you spent with the police on that day?
Umbuzo ke egcine ngawo ke izolo ke ukuthi ke ngaso sonke lesikhathi ke wawundawonye namaphoyisa ngazo i-18 ka June 2020 uma ukhishwa ke e-police station kwakungo 8:05 ekseni wathi ke noma ke ilanga lonke undawonye namaphoyisa uMabhena uMukhane base kamuva ke ukuza kufika yena ke uBrigadier Gininda kanye noMukhulu. Manje kumbuzo wami uthi ngaso sonke leso sikhathi leso undawonye namaphoyisa ukudla wakuthola yini?
angaze ngikuthola nkosina.
I never got food, my lord.
Did they offer you any snacks to eat?
Kukhona nje abakunika kona noma nje ukudla nje noma okuncane okulight nje ama-snacks khona nje abakunika kona ukuthi udle?
Cha Nkosi.
No, my lord.
Did they offer you water, cold drink, anything to drink?
Amanzi, idrinki, ukuthi uphuze?
Akaze ngimaphuze.
No, I never drank, my lord.
Did you personally ask for food? Were you not hungry that day?
Wena-ke ngabe wacela yini ukudla? Wawungalambile yini ngalela langa? Ngabe wacela yini?
Akaze ngikucela Nkosi futhi ngangeke ngikucela ngendlela le ngangibona ngayo inkulumo ababezibhekisa kimi zokuthi ngiyendelela.
I did not request or ask, my lord, and there was no way that I would have asked, taking into account the manner in which they were speaking to me, saying that I'm being disrespectful.
So how did you feel going without food for such a long time that day?
Yakuzwisa kanjani-ke into yokuthi ilanga nje lonke ungadli ngalula suku lona?
Ngingasho Nkosi ukuthi ngangiphatheka kabuhlungu. Okwesibili futhi ngangenanhliziyo ngangingazi ukuthi kahle kahle kwenzakalani futhi ngiboshelwa ini ngoba angisenomuntu ogama start.
My lord, I would say that it did not sit well with me. It's not something good that I didn't think about it, and I also didn't know as to what it is that I had done or why was I placed under arrest, because I am not someone who is into doing or I'm not a bad element or someone who's into doing wrong things, my lord, just by nature.
And were you at all times handcuffed, except the 2 times when you entered the HR department and when you entered the medical facility? Were you at all times, your hands were they restrained?
Ingabe ngaso sonke isikhathi kathi leyana ke ungena lapha emsebenzini ku HR ngalena uma niya ke lapha emtholampilo noma ke la ukuthi khona ke medical, ingabe ngaso sonke isikhathi ngena kulezi ndawo leziyana wawufakwe ozankosi ezandleni?
Amangena ngaphakathi bebengimakhipha bemkhipha.
No, my lord, when I entered inside they would remove them.
Okay. Now, the business of the day is completed in Carltonville. Do you recall after Carltonville, where were you taken?
Na seniyaqeda ke eCarltonville, ingabe uyakhumbula yini ukuthi seniqedile eCarltonville naya kuphi?
Imoto yangena yona indlela leza ngapha kwaJohannesburg ngoba ngayibona singena mina garage le indlela lesihamba ngamasemakhaya kunefemo ngapha negarage ngapha komgwaqo ngizathu.
The car took the Johannesburg route, my lord, because I know that I just saw the car entering one of the places. It's a route that we normally take when we go back home. There's a factory on the other side and there's a garage on the other side.
Now, Sergeant Mohani testified in this court to say from Carltonville, they had to do investigations further in the Alberton area, and that's where they went with you.
Kubufakazi bakhe-ke uSergeant Mohani wayitshela-ke le nkantolo ukuthi kwaphoqeleka-ke ukuthi-ke bayoqhubeka-ke noma bayokwenza-ke uphenyo e-Alberton, yila abahamba abaya nawe khona.
Kusenkantolo thina sangena egarage angazi uphenyela kodwa sangaya nje egarage imoto yaphuma emgwaqeni yaphuma ngendlela ngaphansi ukuze ngibone indlela mina but Alberton yathi imoto yangena egarage engine garage azalwazi uphenyo le garage.
I don't know about the investigation, my lord, the investigation that was done at the garage, because for me to see a board or where that I saw it was in Alberton, there was a board that indicated Alberton, and then the car drove into a garage. So I don't know about the investigation at the garage.
And he testified further, Sergeant Mohani, to say that at the time you were staying in a single cell in the Pretoria North SAPS, and that they took you with because you were going to be bored.
Kubufakazi bakhe uSergeant Mohani uthi ngaleso sikhathi leso-ke wawuhlala uwedwa-ke kwiseleke noma-ke kwisel lapha ePretoria North, base behamba nawe ke ngoba ke wawuzoba nesizungu.
Akulona iqiniso.
That's not true, my lord.
Did you ask Sergeant Mohani and Mabena to take you with because you were bored?
Ingabe unesicelo wasenza wena kuSergeant Mokhane noMabena ukuthi bahambe nawe ngoba unesizungu?
Akaze ngikukhulume lokho Nkosi enkantolo.
I never said that, my lord.
Did you have a choice as to where you were taken by Sergeant Mohani and Mabena?
Wawunako ukuyikhethela yini ukuthi ke kwakuphi la officer ukuthi uye khona njengoba uhamba naye uSergeant Mabena kanye noMokhane?
Cha akukho Nkosi enkantolo.
No, my lord.
Were you given a choice to be taken back to the Pretoria North SAPS cells or to go with the police to Alberton?
Ingabe wanikezwa yini ithuba ke lokuthi ke ukhetheke noma usho ke ukuthi ke ufisa ukubuyela ePretoria North noma ufisa ukuthi uhambe nawo amaphoyisa?
Nkosi enkantolo ayikho into engangikhuluma ngayo. Yonke into babenza into abakwenzayo bona.
There's nothing that I said, my lord. They were just doing what they. In other words, I was just doing what they were saying.
Did the police officers, Mabena and Mohani, explain to you why you were taken to Alberton?
Ingaba amaphoyisa uSergeant Mabena kanye naye uSergeant Mokhane asho yini kuwena ukuthi kwakungani ubehamba nawe ukuya eAlberton?
Cha azange abangitshela Nkosi enkantolo ngoba masambe emgwaqweni ngemoto uMabena yena wayelokho ekhuluma ngefoni ekhuluma ethi Thelezi ngizosithola egarage ngingazi Thelezi.
No, my lord, because as we were traveling, Sergeant Mabena was at all times on his phone and saying, Buthelezi, you'll find us at the garage. I didn't know which Buthelezi he was referring to.
And you are adamant that you overheard that conversation?
Logo into onesiqiniseko sayo ukuthi leyo nkulumo leyo wayizwa.
Babekhuluma nto uMabena uhleli phambi kwami ngihleli nababa wakhe. Uma ekhuluma nawo ekhuluma ngefoni, ukhuluma ngoThelezi. Athi Thelezi ngizosithola egarage.
Yes, my lord. Mabena was seated in front of me. I was seated behind him. And as he was speaking on the phone, he would say, Buthelezi, you'll find us at the garage.
Then what happened when you got at that garage that you mentioned?
Senifikile kuleyo garage le okhuluma ngayo kwenzekani?
Nkosi enkantolo singenile egarage. Ngoba masingena egarage imoto ayiyanga le okuthelwa khona upetrol lezansi.
My lord, we drove into the garage, and as we drove into the garage, the car did not proceed to the petrol tanks.
Ngoba imoto yangena yakudla kunamasithi lamasithi la angathi awusamende khanda ngosamende la khona egarage zitulo nje sigcwele nje ngathi indawo yokuhlala.
And then there are some refreshments areas. There are those cement like in seats or chairs that are at the garage, my lord. It's just for people to sit and be able to eat.
Ngoba phambi kwami nje umoto imibhekele phambi kwami ngabona lokho ngamagesi amahasi lokho kwama fridge okunelokho
And just right ahead of me where the car was, my lord, I saw some gas tanks.
Masifika ke lapho umkhane wehla wabheka leza nasematanki nabo kodwa khona petrol wehla ngihleli noMabena.
And when we got there, Mokhane alighted from the vehicle and proceeded towards the petrol tanks. I remained in the vehicle with Mabena.
Uthe ngesikhathi esenkantolo waqhamuka imoto siyaye nomaka amaphoyisa imoto private GTI.
And then after some time, my lord, a private vehicle with the police, marked police vehicle, it was a GTI, appeared.
So sorry to interrupt you, Mr. Ntanzi, and allow you to proceed without interruption. Do you recall the time, and not exactly the time on the clock, but the time via, was it dark, was it afternoon, was it evening, what time was it?
Ingabe usakhumbula yini ngathi kwakusekuseni kwakuseke ilanga selishonile sekumnyama kwakusemini kwakunini?
Ngingasho ukuthi kwasekumnyama Nkosi ngoba ilanga belisheshe ukushona ngesikhathi ngokusebusika.
I would say that it was dark, my lord, because sunset was very early, my lord, because it was in winter.
Then proceed from where you left off, where this
Maqhubeka-ke.
police car arrived with police signage and markings.
Ngoba i-GTI yangena yaqondana nayo le iFortuna nje zayiqondene so mazini ibheke ziqondene kanje le mangibuka ngemuva kwasekukhona enye imoto emhlophe.
And then as the GTI arrived, my lord, it parked just right next to the Fortuner. And then when I looked behind, there was a white vehicle,
I-hardboard Nissan
a Nissan hardbody.
Okay.
aphume kumabhena akakhulume nawo laba bemoto lemhlophe nalaba bangemuva bephume benze i-meeting yabo nanginomhane ke esekhona.
Mabena then went out of the vehicle. He held a meeting with the people in the white vehicle as well as the others that were behind also joined them. Mukhane also joined.
Let me stop you and clarify this. Sorry to interrupt you again. This area that you talk about, where the Fortuna stopped, then the GTI and the Nissan hardbody, how far is it from the petrol pumps at the filling station?
La imoto lezi ezafika zamakhona ke yona Nissan hardbody, i-GTI ne-Fortuna. Ibanga ke nala kuthelwa khona upetrol okude kangakanani?
Kusengathi zindawo lezi eziqhelene mayisendaweni eyodwa. Zindawo nje eqhelene not kakhulu.
Those are places that are distant from each other. It's the same place, but just a distance away from each other, but not by far.
Ngoba mangingathiwa nje ngila mhlambe le yamahasi ngekhomba so ngithi naya phambi kwami khomba nje straight nje phambi kwami so eyamathanki isecele ingapha yona.
Because as I'm standing like this, my lord, this would be where I was, and then where the tanks were, I would just point straight ahead of me, and then the petrol pumps, I would point to my side, to witness pointing towards his right.
Ngoba imoto zayingena ngale gate zayingena zele thina simile zona zingena ziyalo ngoba nayo le engizonibona ukuthi lento yamahasi kwangena imoto yahamba straight yake yafika manje ngambona umuntu ekhipha ihasi lemotweni eyakhona la.
And because, my lord, from the gate or the entrance that we used, cars would drive in there and then go towards the right. And then for me to be able to see that those were gas tanks that were there, there's a vehicle that drove to there. Someone took out a gas tank from the vehicle.
You see, because I'm trying to visualize and paint a picture of that area, because it's very important in the bigger narrative of what transpired there. So, was that area visible to the people that will be, for example, at the petrol pumps filling up with petrol? Will that area where the Fortuna stop be visible to those public areas at the filling pumps?
Lana ke engikuzamayo ke ngizama njena ke ukuthi nesiphosa bathi ke umfanekiso engqondweni ngizama ukuthi ke ngidwebeleke ukuthi ngibe nalesi sithombe kumina la ukuthi ke kwakuyidawo ekanjani leyana ingabe la enani khona noma imoto ezazimi khona ke abantu abalaphayana la ekuthelwa khona upetrol babebona la imoto lezi zanihamba ngazo ezazi khona babengabona la enani khona.
Kusenkantolo umuntu imoto engayibona ngoba ayisithela ngithi indawo yakhe ayisithela kodwa mina mangingapha kwemoto ngeke ngibone mangingalo kweFortune ngeke ngibone into ngoba ngisithwe imoto.
My lord, someone would have been able to see the car where the cars were parked because it was a place that was like visible. But if I was standing on the other side of the Fortuner, then someone would not have been able to see me.
And did that engine garage or filling station have a convenience shop? Did it have a shop or a convenience store?
Leyo garage leyo enani kuyona ke ingaba yayinaso isitolo. Kwakukhona isitolo sasikhona lapha egarage.
Angiyanga le ngakhona entolo bantwana.
I did not go towards the shops, Mr.
Kodwa ngathi
Ramsey.
ngoba lo mhani wayehle ngaphethe nix wabuye sebuya namanzi ngathi amanzi wathathe mhlawumbe wathenge khona.
But I would say so because when Mukhane left the vehicle, he did not have anything with him. But when he came back, he had water with him.
Now you say some of the police officers get out of their respective cars they hold a gathering amongst themselves. Proceed from there.
Usushilo ke ukuthi amaphoyisa uMabhena wakhuluma nalaba bangasemuva baphuma nabo bahlanganyela ndawonye noMukhane nabo waya ukubona usungaqhubeka ke ukusuka lapho.
Kosenkantolo mabeqeda ke ubethi uMabhena wangivulele emotweni.
When they were done with their gathering or the meeting, my lord, Mabhena opened for me in the vehicle.
Wasengikhipha i-handcuff, ama-handcuff angiwafake ngaphambili wase wafaka ngemuva.
He then removed the handcuffs from me because my hands were tied in front, my lord, and then they were now tied at the back.
Wasentshena ukuthi ngena la ngangena kwi-GTI ngoba bavula umnyango khona ngangena la kwi-GTI.
He then instructed me, saying, get into the GTI. They opened the door, and indeed I got into the GTI.
On which side of the VW GTI did they place you?
Wangena ngakuluphi-ke uhlangothi lwayo i-GTI.
Angithi ngaphambili udriver mangangena lesihlangothi esitulweni esangemuva.
In front, my lord, is the driver. So I got behind the driver.
And then what happened?
Wasekwenzekani?
Mangena ke ngihlala khona ke uMabhena wahamba ungena ngale ngale.
When I
Hayi
When I got in, my lord, Mabhena went to the other side, on the left side, passenger that's at the back of the same vehicle.
ngoba kulo moto leyo ngithola omunye umuntu but angimbonanga ubuso bakhe ngoba wayefaka imask namanje akaze ngithole igama lakhe noma ngubani.
Because in that vehicle, my lord, I found someone else, but I couldn't see the person. The person was wearing a mask, and I never got to know the person up until today.
Let me stop you a bit again. Sorry for that. Now you say it was already dark. Am I summarizing you correctly on that aspect?
Ushilo ukuthi ngaleso sikhathi leso kwakusekumnyama-ke.
Yeah.
Yes.
Now, what was illumination like or lighting like around the area where the Fortuner and the two cars had stopped?
La khona iFortuna kanye nale moto ezimbili ezafika zama khona-ke. Ukukhanya-ke kwakunjani ukubonakala kwakukanjani la ukuthi kukhanye-ke noma kubonakala?
Ikhona ama-light lapha ekhona egarage ama-light aganyisa igarage.
There were lights at the garage, my lord, that were a source of illumination.
Kodwa ngale ndlela imoto zazengayo iFortuna ngithi ilethe umthunzi wayo ngapha kwe-GTI.
Okay.
But according to the manner in which the vehicles were parked, my lord, now the Fortuner, one would say that it was then obscuring on the side of the GTI.
Now, you say Mabhena gets onto the rear passenger seat on the left-hand side, behind the passenger's side. Am I correct?
Ngikuzwa kahle uthi uMabhena ke wase engena eceleni kwakho kwisandla sangakho sokunxele la ngasemuva.
Yebo.
Yes, my lord.
Proceed from there.
Qhubeka.
Emveni ngalapho wasekuza uMaphumulo ngisho leqiniso lomuntu uMaphumulo wangitshela ukuthi ndoda into esifuna kuyiqiniso kuphela ungasitshela ngami.
And then Maphumulo came, because in all honesty, my lord, he told me that he was Maphumulo, and he then said to me that all we need from you is the truth, don't tell us lies.
Let's do this, Mr. Ntanzi. The Toyota Fortuner that you arrive in, it is common course that it is yourself and Sergeant Mukhane and Mabhena, correct?
Asenze lokhu-ke. iFortuna abantu babekuFortuna kwakuyiwena uSergeant uMabhena noMukhane angithi.
Yebo.
Yes, my lord.
And who was in the VW GTI?
GTI kwakuwobani babekuyona? Jonathan.
Kodwa igama lakhe ngikuthole khona lapho ukuthi uJonathan khona.
But I got to know his name here, my lord, that he was Jonathan.
Nejezi leyo egqokile lalibhaliwe la.
Because even
amajezi la uniform emsebenzi wakhe okufana nebhlue leyo egqokile.
Because the jersey that he was wearing, my lord, it was written on the jersey because it was the same, like in a uniform. It was the same as the pants that he was wearing.
Engalazi igama lakhe lo wehlelela ngaphambili ngagcina ngalazi ngoba yena wayevala efake imask.
The one whose name I never got to know, my lord, was the one who was seated on the other side. Because he was wearing a mask.
And from the Nissan hard body, how many people were there, and did you identify or get to know their names?
Babe bangaki abantu ababekwi-Nissan i-hard body bona-ke amagama abo wawathola.
Angagcina ngithola amagama nguyo uButhelezi noMaphumulo. Laba abayi-2 angilazi igama. Omunye ngikhombisile khona lapha ekhotho wezinga legolide.
It's only 2 whose names I was able to pass, Buthelezi and Maphumulo. And then the other one I pointed out to you here in court, here the gold tooth.
Okay. Proceed then from where you were narrating what happened there.
Mayesakhuluma kanjalo kuMaphumulo ukuthi inkantolo ethi bafuna iqiniso. Ngimbuza ukuthi iqiniso lephi, angibuza ukuthi ubani owabulala Senzo ukuthi nganazi ngoba angisenomuntu onganazi ukuthi for Senzo.
When Maphumulo said that, I then asked what truth or which truth are you referring to? He then said, who killed Senzo? I said, I don't know. I am not a person who is into mischief.
Yeah, let me also interrupt you. Sorry. The Metro Police officers, the officers that you say was wearing a jersey and the car had signage. Did you see from which unit were they?
Lo okhuluma ngaye uthi ke wayegqoke ijezi, uthi ke lejezi alibhaliwe behamba ke ngemoto lena, uthi ke yayinomaba amaphoyisa. Ngabe wabona yini ukuthi kuya kuyiphi unit?
Mina ngathi amaphoyisa omgwaqo lezi impahla begqoke laba abasebenza la emgwaqweni.
I would say that they were traffic officers, the police that working on the roads because of the uniform they were wearing.
And you are saying Jonathan was wearing a uniform. Did the passenger also uniform?
Nanjengoba uthi uJonathan wayefake ke noma wayegqoke ke i-uniform, nalona ke owayepassenger naye wayefake impahla yomsebenzi.
Yebo bonke nokuThelezi befake impahla zabo.
Yes, all of them together with the like Buthelezi.
And Maphumulo as well was he wearing a uniform?
Yeah.
Yes.
And were they all 4 wearing the road traffic cops uniform as you mentioned?
Boba u4 nje babegqoke lezi amaphoyisa omgwaqo nanjengomusho.
Yeah, ngabukela ngathi yiza ama lokho zamabhuzu singasakhombuki kahle amabhuzu.
Yes.
Maphumulo wayegqoke nejacket nje kule.
Yes, the khaki like pants. I'm not able to remember the boots, and Buthelezi was even wearing a jacket.
Now, let me ask you this, and I think I'm going to have difficulty in asking you that without leading you. At that time in South Africa and throughout the world, there was a pandemic in 2020. Do you recall?
Ngaleso sikhathi leso lana ke eSouth Africa nafuthi nje umhlaba nje wonkana ke ukuthi ke kwaku nesifo ke sasikhona ngaleso noma kwakukhona nje okwakubambe okwakwenzeka ngaleso sikhathi isifo lesasikhona ngaleso uyakhumbula?
Yebo ngiyakhumbula umekho nasemsebenzini sasingayi njalo ngokujoba amalanga amathathu uphinde uphume uphinde ujobe 4 days uphinde uphume.
Yes, I do recall because it was during the COVID time. Even at work, you'd go to work for 3 days, you rest, you go to work for 4 days, and you rest again.
Now, at that engine garage, with respect to public movement, can you describe whether there was a lot of or none, in your own words, what was happening regarding public movement?
Uma ungasitshela ke wena ke ngokwakho nje noma ke ngawakho amazwi ukuthi ke laphana kuleya garage nani kuyona ke ukuthi nje kwakunabantu abaningi kwakwenzekani?
Kwakungena abantu abaningi ngoba imoto zazingeningi leya garage.
There were not a lot of people because even the cars, there were not so many malot at that garage.
So proceed from where you were narrating, Mr. Ntanzi. Sorry for the interruption.
Ngithela ukuthi enkantolo uma ngibuza lokho kuMaphumulo wasuka wahamba kwase kufika yena ke ubaba uButhelezi ngakile.
When I said that to Maphumulo Malot, he then left, and it was Buthelezi who came to me.
Mangihlele yena aphinda ngibuza lokho ukuthi ubani owabulala Senzo angabe uMaphumulo ukuthi mina zange ngibulala Senzo.
Was seated with him, he asked me who killed Senzo. I said I did not kill Senzo, and also asked me where I was. I said I did not kill Senzo.
noma bhena futhi athi engitshela futhi nathi awufuni ubatshele iqiniso.
Even Mabena would say to me, don't you want to tell them the truth?
What happened?
Ngithi mina ngazi nithi nakule ndawo yongibuza ongola ongitshela khona ukuthi kulapho segula igula ngilihamba.
I then said to him, I know nothing. I even said to him, even the place you are showing to me or telling me about that it is in Johannesburg, I am not familiar.
Now, at that engine garage, with respect to public movement, can you describe whether there was a lot of or none, in your own words, what was happening regarding public movement?
Uma ungasitshela ke wena ke ngokwakho nje noma ke ngawakho amazwi ukuthi ke laphana kule garage nani kuyona ke ukuthi nje kwakunabantu abaningi kwakwenzekani.
Kwangena abantu abaningi wana imoto zazingeningi le garage.
There were not a lot of people because even the cars, there were not so many, my lord, at that garage.
So proceed from where you were narrating, Mr. Ntanzi. Sorry for the
Usungaqhubeka ke
interruptions.
la umi khona.
Ngithela inkosi enkantolo uma ngibuza lokho kumaphumulo wasuka wahamba kwase kufika yena ke ubaba uButhelezi futhi ngapha ngakini.
When I said that to Mapumula, my lord, he then left, and it was Buthelezi who came to me.
Mangihlele yena yaphinda ngibuza lokho ukuthi ubani wabulala uSenzo ngangekuphi makushona uSenzo ngithi mina azange ngibulala uSenzo.
Was seated with him, he asked me who killed Senzo. I said I did not kill Senzo, and also asked me where I was. I said I did not kill Senzo.
Noma bhena futhi athi engitshela futhi nathi awufuni ubatshele iqiniso.
Even Mabena would say to me, don't you want to tell them the truth?
What happened?
Ngithi mina ngazi nithi nakule ndawo yongibuza ongola ongitshela khona ukuthi kulapho segula igula ngilihamba.
I then said to him, I know nothing. I even said to him, even the place you are showing to me or telling me about that it is in Johannesburg, I am not familiar with Gauteng.
Ngithe ngisasuka lapho ngambona ke sevula uplastic wakhona ngoplastic wase-throw it.
From there, I noticed or saw him opening a plastic bag. It was a throw-it plastic bag.
Who's opening that
Uvula
plastic
ubani?
bag?
Uphuma kwemabhena uphethwe ngomabhena
It
uplastic.
was from Mabena. Mabena is the one that had the plastic bag.
And at the time, is he inside the GTI or outside on your rear passenger side?
Ngaleso sikhathi leso ungaphakathi emotweni noma ke ungale kuloya hlangothi kushilo ngakulona ukuthi kwe waye kuhlangothi la ku left.
Umabhena ngihlele la ngemuva.
Okay.
I was seated with Mabena at the back.
Umuntu olapha kimi umnyango uvuliwe ifortune imla umnyango lo uvuliwe ngubuthelezi umuntu olanga.
The person that was on my side, that is now on the right side, because the Fortuner's door was open. It was Buthelezi.
Did you see where he retrieved that plastic bag?
Ingabe wambona ukuthi wawuthatha kuphi noma wawukhipha kuphi lowo plastic.
Uplastic ngoba masikhuluma la waphuma waya kule moto sasihamba ngayi fortune wabuya weza la wabuya sevula lo plastic. Ngicabanga ukuthi usho wawuthatha khona.
The plastic
asewuvula la phambi kwami.
He got out of the vehicle, my lord, went to the Fortuner that we were traveling in, and then he came back and then he opened the plastic. So I think he took the plastic from the Fortuner.
What happened then?
Kwasekwenzekani?
Wasengitshela ngoba ufuna ukukhuluma iqiniso. Hayi angazi ngawana ngabona plastic esewufaka ekhanda esempresse ngawona.
He said to me, because you don't want to tell the truth, I don't know. He then opened the plastic, placed it over my head and pressed it.
Ngizame ukugquma ngangizamela ukugquma kwami kokuphusha ukuthi ngiyele okhona khona ukuthethe ukutheleza angipressele emotweni phakathi angiphushele phakathi.
I tried, my lord, to jump, that is now jumping towards the side of where Buthelezi was, and then Buthelezi would push me back to the inside of the vehicle.
Makhamba ke mvelo sikhathi awukhipha uplastic athi namanje angifuna ukukhuluma iqiniso ngisho ukuthi mina alikho iqiniso kuzophuma angiganga nangaphandle.
And then after some time, he took the plastic out, said to me, do you still not want to tell the truth? I said, there is no truth that I will tell. Even outside, I am not into mischief.
Ngoba bebona ukuthi inkosi enkantolo ngiyafuna ukuphuma ngeke ukutheleza uJonathan angiphusha kumabhena ngikhipha uplastic ashova isitulo semoto imoto lesisondele kimi la phakathi namathanga isitulo.
Because what would happen, my lord, if they would find, or if they would notice that I want to jump to the side of Buthelezi, Buthelezi pushes me back, Jonathan would then press this, push the chair backwards, and then it would get in between my legs.
kwileso sikhathi phinde ke bebuyisela uplastic.
And at that time, they would then put the plastic back.
How did you feel when that plastic bag was placed over your head?
Wawuzizwa kanjani-ke uma lo plastic lowo ufakwa kuwena ekhanda?
Kwasenkantolo uplastic ubuhlungu
Plastic hurts my lot
ngoba awutholi moya.
because there is no breathing or air. There's no air that you get.
Okay, proceed.
Qhubeka.
Emveni kwalokho angazi ukuthi ubani owamshayayo ngoba uplastic awusekhanda.
After that, I don't know who assaulted me because the plastic was over my head.
Mr. Ntanzi, I see that you are getting emotional. Do you need a moment to compose yourself?
Ngabe ucela isikhathi ukuthi nje uke wehle kancane? Please.
My lord, may we take a short adjournment until after the tea break, my lord?
Okay,
We'll return maybe at half past 11.